Today is May 12th, 2023. I just received my Amazon packaging. I ordered the Jabra headsets. It was paid for a new headset. But this is not new. This came in the box looking like this. The speaker looks like this. This is a used headset, and it did not include this port here. I've got this, and that, and this little book here. I will package this back up and return it to Amazon.
Man, I'm always stuck to the computer with these. I need some better ones, I'll tell you that. That's why I purchased these. I'll be walking around the house doing my thing while I'm still connected. So I'm talking to people, still walking around, being able to do my thing. Have a good day.
Yep. Freaking annoying. Oh, and their services is closed. Yeah. Convenient.
Did you give him a date when you wanted him to appear and give him sufficient